Shothi mina kahle ngeJoburg ukuthi my money ukuthi ngiyolala na DJ Call Me without imvumo yami. Ngong DJ Call Me nalomngani wakhe. Angifuni ukukhuluma igama lakhe because ngisasho akangenza. Ku lomnyeche Riranzu the vendor girl. Mathuba ithumu la. Othi mina bangine DJ Call Me lo bamnike lo. Okay ngiyathula ngiyamayizi yabona. Ngisi mina kuba ngababingela vele yabo. Ngithi ngiyolala kuphi angikhomba ya room. Angela ngale room guys, le room. Kunetimpahla vele madots, yabo. Ngilala na DJ Call Me yini mina lana. Mayizi ngithule. Ngithi kuba ngiqala kugeza. Yabo? Phela ngisho nawufiyenza unifula abafuna ukuthi phela uyakuthanza. Awu mana mawufike nje sohlinyo sofuna ukudla. Ngithi guys ngicela kugeza bathi ngene bathroom ngikhuleka. Feel free ngathi okay. Abathi awungeke dijo. Ngithi kyadinyak ba lo gelo yalo mina vele ngafuna ukuphapha ngisho abantu saqala kubabona. Lo gelo wathi rkodota khona ngezivene vele rkodota savana. Bathi lethi ngathi ay right savana to inatha nginanginga. Naphela kujwabusha ikhlalifi nginale ngondo ukuthi man why bafuna sidzawo so yabo ngalana I was told ukuthi kusasa ngestudio ba up to in yabo. Sala mina na Call Me laba sebayikamereni ngiqeda kufika ngiyambona mkhala besodzakiwe kuye kamereni ngiyambuta futhi guys ngiyolala and ebuka labe sikhona khona akuna TV akuna mat phansi nathi kwesofa lokulingana le sofa le nokulingana le sofa le hayi le incane lokulingana na le ukuthi kuhlala thuye bantu le how mina DJ Call Me ngifuna ngiyokwetsela vele nje bese ngikhuluma ngesipula yokwetsela ngiyakurabala yokwetsela. Okay, go and sleep in the other room. Buka the other room ngile ukuthi kulala yena kusho ukuthi nami ngiyolala naye ngaloba velo yena uthi salisa ngale yabo cha ukuthi ngitsakiwe angangena lapha eroomini mina yabo ngosomphonyi ngalo ngathi ngilelo ngihona nokuhona ngiyamove ngiyayethu yangena uvala mnyaka lapho si4 guys si4 kulendlo yonke makamera ithula bangale for sure bayaheva bayadlala abantwana mina nayi siyithunga le and noma ngamemete kude umuntu lotoyimva uyagibela lapha empedeni guys ngicole indo leso le short so ngicole indo le short so khala bayangibamba DJ Call Me yangibamba and then kamaiza nawo bush kamaiza don't ngivala la ngidla khona ngangibamba ha umuntu phela sola mina hawo ngiyakudwa yabo usho umuntu uthukile kushasa watshela ukuthi ngilelelo ukuthi ngidzayiwa ngivele utho yabo ngiyambonga isandani konakalani ngoba uthi uthuthandani kimi naye cause ngiyambuta ngisikwendakalani uthi ungibukile nasi mina kwenakalani wanyekela wabuka le and ngathi mina DJ Call Me kwenakalani ngani mina nawe siyajola or ngitela for music or na something le mina ngibhatalele before yabo wavala ke ukuthi tomorrow you are going to studio after that stay plan ukuthi ufake podcast after that in tontoni ngamayenza salala because very tsakiwe mina to be honest guys bengekho free savex nangivex vele ngene bekasaleba ngasakhona mina ngivuke kuselo ukuthi ngathi bengiramele ukuthi kukhanye ngaphandle ngavuka ngivuka ngabona ababushwa ntiba ukuthi makayi ngasho ngicleaner ngaklina lapha ngicleaner washa tindishi ngasho mabhodo ngawasha ngasho ngipheka jeke bafostela ukuthi bakhaphe gelo yami ngicela cause yena vele bengayedi kucula just bewamjumisile lapha bekade kuto yabo wahamba girl runs wathena if you feel uncomfortable lana you can call me ngiyeta kutohlala nami utotangala for studio in yabo okay no problem sengithena na 2 yemajita ngiyi1 sena 2 yemajita lo mngani wakhe so yangishela hey I love you now hey ntontoni hey I want you to stay with me now hey I want you to be my wife ntontoni ngithi labantu abahlakaniphela 2 guys against 1 girl. Ngathi mina, oh, you like me? Yabona nje into letinjalo. Umuntu lo ngihluphetile lana is DJ Call Me. He is DJ Call Me. Yaba? Lo muntu guys. He even harassed me sexually. Makhathi urata vanna. Kusho lo mngani, makhathi uthanda abadoda. Velo DJ Call Mariana, makhathi this day so yachoma. Marito make sure ukuthi ukhipha ingoma naye. Yabakhuluma ngabo charisma ke ngwana. Lo munyathi na ufuna ukudla charisma. Ngikhomba nema picture na charisma. Yabo nje ukuthi ngifile le pressure ukuthi charisma ke ngwana, ke hlomuja in DJ Call Me akhuluma DJ Call Me kahle yena bekakhomba ukuthi uva buhlungu ukuthi makhathi usetulo, yabo? Uva buhlungu ukuthi makhathi usetulo. The way beyakhuluma ngakhona mina ngibuza lo muntu uva buhlungu ukuthi makhathi usetulo. Cause bekazathi yana makhathi ujiki umjikela makhathi hey utena ngathi ukhulu in lo munye wazathi ya makhathi uthanda amadoda. Athi makhathi uthanda amadoda. Mina ama artist ngiyabona ngigcina ngokubabona nje angibathi ukuthi baphila njani. Ngitshela la ngabani kanye Mukhosi asinabo umkhosi bathanda amadoda in okay how jiki angisativi kahle bengiqala kupass out empilweni yami guys. Nasivuke angathi veke ukuthi kwendakaleni, mara what I can say is that he harassed me sexually because mundu ungalala naye angafuni rape. Ngiyavisisa rape. Mundu ungalala naye angafuni rape. Kusho ungirapile kahle. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, ngihambe Friday. Day 3 nangivuka. Ngiyabona guys angagcoki. Yav angagcoki. Mina lana. Okay. Ngambuta what happened? Shena next. Yes, mina what happened? Ungendeni. What's yena next? What happened? Bavala uthi today we going to studio in yabona nje lapho nalapho uthi ingqondo idideke. Prince Benza ngikhumbula kahle because bangitshela ukuthi sohlangana Prince Benza and Prince Benza Leperia production. That day ngiyabuta kana asi e studio na. Yana you won't be able to go to studio. Rinyako ya ro reka dikubo, rinyako reka dikubo it's a music video. Mina bebangangaki vele shothi mina bengisa Joburg ukuthi DJ Call Me ayong sexual harasser. Angitshele manga ngibuye ekhaya ngitoba sicacala la sabo balahlethe ingoma tami. Shothi mina kahlahle ngeJoburg ukuthi my money ukuthi ngiyolala na DJ Call Me without imvumo yami. At least ngabe window ukuthi bathiteni. Ngihlalise phansi bathi ngiyalola ukuze ube artist uphumelele melulale nami. And then nasolele nami ngikola standard into khona. Shothena he told himself ukuthi okay ngitolala na late bese uyajiya hamba. First ngangavuma ngathi lo yolala nami futhi. Uyolala nami and thanks God because ngila ngothatha ngathola ukuthi angiguli. Umuntu atokugulisa nje. Things we do for fame, guys. Things people do for fame. My thing is track. I mean, listen, if Aningisa studio, your poster. Short when you're in the land of the ending Jima show, also posters as a night. Short I'm your poster in such a guys and such as Angna Malik Boo and Canning City. But in case, CS studio. Kabang, Kabauti, Labandu Beban now, my chances but now la manje usibanganyise studio net ngoba bebatibonela slim bebafuna ngizemkhulu.
Hi bazala bamzitho, welcome to Umgosi Nemagatsheni. I am Umagatsheni. So guys, Umgosi wethu namhlanje bazala bamzitho, it's about the best DJ we ever had in South Africa. It's so sad ukuthi people esikhule sibukela kubo, people we grew up listening music wabo, and we believe that entertainment industry doesn't do justice kubo. We believe that music wabo kumele ngabe usamamela up until today, because music ka DJ Call Me, guys, yo thina sikhulu sijayivisa blind, and we knew with each and every summer award this guy will get the award. So guys, it's so sad to young girls, they are crying because of this guy. Guys, I know I've seen a comment there, and I know a lot of you will say it's Hlangani, but I mean, I do not wanna lie. I feel like unalo iqiniso kancane, because uyasho ukuthi makasuka kube his view eMpumalanga eza ngapha eGauteng province bekazele ukuthi azoyenza music no DJ. Mafia only to find out ukuthi lapha is 2 for 2. I do not know ukuthi umngane ongaexplainanga kahle kuye, but uvele lento umngane naye bakangazi. I don't know, but what I know ukuthi even if umngane bangaexplainanga yena makafika lapha yena, the guy, he was supposed to tell yena ukuthi before ukuthi senza kanje la kusetshenzwa kanje, which is the wrong thing. This is so sad, guys, and this thing ugela show, that means the thing abantu bakhala ngayo ukuthi in order to get the track, in order for music wakho uhambe, you need to do something. This entertainment industry akusinto yenzeka manje, it has been happening for the longest years, because usho ukuthini mawuthi nomuntu esikhule simamela umuntu. I think this guy manje he's approaching 50. Umuntu esikhule sazi ukuthi music wakhe uvele simamela wona, uzoyenza naye lento ekuthiwa yenzwa manje. Usho ukuthini? I know a lot of people on the comment section there bayasho ukuthi hayi isitoko sakagirls asilangani, there's no way ukuthi ugela ngagrape u DJ Call Me, because whatever the girl is saying, she is basically saying DJ umgrapile. Yes, akavulanga icase, but she knows there's something wrong yenzeke there, even though abantu abaningi they won't believe, but then we as believer, and I do not wanna allow. I believe you, baby girl, and if you feel as if there's something wrong yenzeke lapha, go and open a case, guys. And this thing, guys, mabona ngathi unenkinga uzoza ku TikTok won't help you with anything. Obviously uzofika lapha thina sibeke imibono yabo, because nalabantu abantu abakhomenta lapha ku TikTok, they do have right to comment. Angithi ulethe inkinga yakho wena ku TikTok. I do not understand ukuthi why don't you ukuthi uma unenkinga don't you go to police station and open a case, guys. I understand ukuthi why abantu abaningi if bagrape you or something they don't open a case, especially if we celebrity and ufuna ukumshame, because at the end of the day, yes, sizokhuluma la ku TikTok, even if isitory sakho sahlangana sikhulume whatever sifuna ukukhuluma, simkhansele for 2 months, for not even 2 months, 2 days, then uzophinda aqhubeke yenza abanye whatever yenzile kuwe, aqhubeke futhi nangakhe yenza a lot of money, then akuvalele eminye iminyaka. Kanti it's better if you attend the case, into yakho izoba strong. You understand? I do understand ukuthi bakhona abantu bathi ngicabanga ukuthi makangaya ngeke aboshwe, but zama, hluleka uzamile, understand, hluleka uzamile. So bazalwa mzitho, that is all for now. Please comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Ngithanda ukuya nokubuya.